We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make.
Alright guys, welcome to the Mad Maker Show. We have as moderator, Amy Page.
How you doing, everybody? Obviously, you just said my name's James A. You can find me all my social media links at makersinternationalpodcast.com.
Bobby Duke of Bobby Duke Arts.
Hey everybody! Sorry, missed my cue.
Can you give us a little bit about yourself to start off?
All right, I guess for background, I was born in Georgia, moved to Fort Worth, Texas when I was really young, and from there, my parents decided to homeschool me, so I've been homeschooled my whole life. All of my schooling none of it's been done in kind of a private or public school. From elementary through high school, I was homeschooled completely. So that gave me a lot of interesting opportunities, perspectives. People always ask me, so do you like it? What's it like? I'm like, well, I don't have any other reference point, other than that.
We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make, such as Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Sokomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared Hildebrand, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Soft, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Breck McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TM, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.